Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And so far, so good. Yeah, today had a little bit of a buzzkill. I mean, the price certainly made a nice jump to the upside, and then the price did pull back a little bit. But again, I'm just talking about 1 day. I mean, when you take a step back and look at multiple days, overall, it was a very solid day. The price is continuing to work itself upwards. And while it couldn't stay up above $17.70, which is that level I've talked about before, I would certainly agree that it's been weakened up because, yeah, the price got above it and stayed above it for a while. But as far as accomplishing a true break, wasn't able to do that. And a true break having two parts. The first part is the obvious part is, well, yeah, price has to get up above a certain level. But then the second part is, can the price stay above that level? And again, in this situation, the whole staying up above the level is where the price struggled. So 1770 still remains that level of resistance. But like I said earlier, I would agree if you said, well, it's definitely been weakened up. Yeah, it was weakened up, but still technically a level of resistance. The one adjustment I am going to do on the support side of things, now that we have more data, is that the main and kind of truer area of support seems to be right down here at $16.85. I say that because now that we have more data, in particular this data point right here from the first 30 minutes, and then you correspond that with other data points from the past, including this area being a former area of resistance, it does seem as though 1685 is going to be that key level of support. And, you know, the more so true level of support. But I am getting a little bit ahead of ourselves because as of right now, the price is still up above that purple line. And that's also where the price essentially bounced off of several times today. So it was kind of a double whammy, I guess, in both situations. Now that I look, right there, you had the purple line and the green line at the same value. Right there this morning, both at the same value. So for any of you chart players out there that noticed that and took advantage of it, good eye and congratulations. I totally missed that, but yeah, well done. You had a double whammy of support. But back on topic here, as far as the near-term level of support, it would be that purple line there, the 50 period. But if the price does drop down below it, then yeah, keep an eye on the 1685 mark. So all in all, nice day today, and we'll see if the bulls can start to generate and build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.